Hello, my name is Vinay Prakash. I am the founder and master trainer at Intellisoft Training in Singapore. I am conducting an Excel dashboard masterclass in Singapore and I would like you to attend. You may be wondering why you need to attend. Well, if you use Excel for reporting, then you will be very amazed at the kind of things that you can do with Excel. You see, most people use Excel for reporting, but they do all the number crunching in Excel. Then they take a screenshot of their final report or analysis, put it into PowerPoint, and then they start their presentations simply by showing the PowerPoint slides. But if the audience has any questions, like how will you compare this category with that category, this month with that month, they are unable to show it because these reports are all static reports. Well, we want to create one-page management dashboards that are self-updating, that allow you to choose whichever category, month, year, segment by the different ways you want to slice and dice the data. That's what a dashboard does. So in this workshop, we cover what's a dashboard, how to move away from static reports and screenshots and move to interactive reports that allow you on-the-spot analysis. Everything should be visible on a single screen. Multiple visualizations are possible. You may be thinking, is this possible in Excel? Well, yes, it is. You will be able to create such things on your own without any issues. That's what we want to teach you. Let's look at an example. In this report, as you can see, as I pick the month and the year, the report changes. Further, I can pick what I want to see or don't want to see. I can scroll and compare different months, different products, and am able to look at the key KPIs, the key performance indicators, the way I want it. This Excel dashboard training is a 2-day training and it's more like a workshop where we show you how to get more out of Excel, how to create such management charts and reports, and then you do it yourself because you learn it when you do it yourself, and that's what we want to show you. This is another dashboard fully done in Excel. As you choose the different products, phone or TV, the different zones, north, south, east or west, the whole report changes. The charts change, the headings change, in fact everything changes. In this 2-day Excel dashboard masterclass, in the first day we cover what's a dashboard, what are the principles of a great dashboard design, what are the advanced functions, formulas that you would need to know so that you can build such dashboards. We'll be teaching you these step by step. Plus, we will also show you how to use range names, lookup functions, conditional formatting. And on the second day, we move on to more advanced techniques using pivot tables, pivot charts, get creative with the different kinds of charts that help the management to see the key performance indicators. We will create simple macros and even complete macro-enabled dashboards. By the end of the second day, you would have done several dashboards using slicers, drop-downs, checkboxes, spin controls, scroll bars, and buttons. You will be amazed at the amount of knowledge you will learn in these 2 days. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate or even an advanced user of Excel, you will come out with hundreds of tips, tricks, shortcuts, and ways that you never thought possible. This is another dashboard that you can see here. Another example where we create the chart and then we allow the customers to pick what they want to pick, whether they want to see the sales, the profits, or the number of customers. We have conducted hundreds of successful Excel dashboard trainings all over the world. Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, India, Australia, and also Indonesia. So far, we have trained over 5,000 students. This training will be conducted by me. I will be showing you how to get the most out of Excel in this 2-day power-packed Excel dashboard training. Some of our worldwide clients are Vodafone, PayPal, Johnson's Control, Standard Chartered Bank, NUS, Marina Bay Sands, and several more. Participants from our past workshops have been extremely happy with the training. These are some of the comments that they have written at the end of the training. They learned so many tips and tricks not taught in books. They were able to follow through the examples and try them yourself. As you can see, this is a very hands-on training and people enjoy this the most because here you are able to ask the questions and get the answers on the spot. You will learn so many hidden gems that you will be amazed that how come you have survived without these shortcuts and time-saving tips. You will be able to create complete dashboards that are visually appealing, informative, innovative, and very newbie-friendly training. If you would like to join us, simply email us or WhatsApp us. We will send you the detailed course brochure and the links to register. Hope to see you soon in class. All the best.